Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on day 10 webinar brief in CLEP 2 Spoken English webinars by APSCRT. Today's topic is about describing things, people, events and routines by Shobha ma'am, Assistant Professor of English, Anna University, Chennai. ఈ సెషన్లో మనము పీపుల్, థింగ్స్, ఈవెంట్స్ అండ్ రొటీన్ యాక్టివిటీస్ని ఏ విధంగా డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయాలి అనగా వివరించాలి, ఏ విధమైన యాడ్జెక్టివ్స్ అండ్ జెరెండ్స్ మరియు యాడ్వర్బ్స్ని ఏ సందర్భాల్లో వినియోగించాలో చూస్తాం. హియర్ ఈజ్ ఎ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ కోట్. ఇన్ డిస్క్రైబింగ్ సమ్ వన్స్ క్యారెక్టర్, ఐ రివీల్ మై ఓన్. టుడే we are describing about things, people, events and routines. Now describing about oneself. Here are some stock and opt words to describe oneself. Attentive, considerate, gentle, respectful, thoughtful, diplomatic, trustworthy, loyal, dependable, polite, strategic. Conscientious. Conscientious means విశ్వాసంతో లేదా మనస్సాక్షితో లేదా నీతి నియమాలతో పనిచేయగలిగిన తత్వాన్ని కలిగి ఉండడం. హియర్ ద లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ గివెన్ బై హెర్: డివోటెడ్, diligent, efficient, energetic, faithful, fantastic, hardworking, industrious, knowledgeable, loyal, productive, resourceful, skillful and thoughtful. These are few stock words to describe oneself. Here is a question. Describe yourself in 3 words. ఇది చాలా ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్న. తప్పనిసరిగా మనము దేని గురించైనా లేదా ఎవరి గురించైనా వివరణ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు మనలోని స్ట్రెంగ్త్స్ అండ్ వీక్నెసెస్ని కూడా మనం పూర్తిగా తెలుసుకున్న వాళ్ళమై ఉండాలి. సో ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ టు డిస్క్రైబ్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్స్ జెన్యూన్లీ. Now describing things or objects. Usually we describe things or objects based on their shape, color, size, texture and condition. Here are some adjectives to describe the shape of the objectives. They are square, circular, rectangular, oblong, pyramid, solid, concave, geometric, symmetrical, pointy, twisted, 3-dimensional. This is a picture having many different shapes. Now here is a question. What is the describing word which describes this picture? ఇక్కడ చాలా రకరకాల డిఫరెంట్ షేప్స్ అండ్ జామెట్రికల్ షేప్డ్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ జామెట్రిక్. హియర్ ఆర్ సమ్ వర్డ్స్ టు డిస్క్రైబ్ ద కలర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. దే ఆర్ డార్క్, వైబ్రెంట్, నియాన్, పేల్, బ్రైట్, ఫెస్టివ్, మోనోక్రోమ్, నియాన్, బ్లెండెడ్ అండ్ డ్రాబ్. నౌ హియర్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ us. What is the describing word to describe this color on the picture? Answer is festive. Here are some words to describe the size of the objects. They are ideal, little, short, fat, long, small, giant, majestic, tall, gigantic, mammoth, teeny, great, massive, thin, huge, miniature, tiny, immense, petite and vast. This is a question for us. What is the describing word to describe this picture? So the most apt word is gigantic. Here are some list of words to describe the texture of the object. They are leathery, slippery, rough, sharp, silky, creamy, smooth, squishy, fluffy, grainy, crunchy, sticky, juicy and crispy. Now here is a question for us. What is the describing word to describe the texture of this fabric? So answer is silky. Now here are some describing words to describe the condition of the object. They are old-fashioned, worn out, brand new, crooked, cracked, dirty, clean, shiny, affordable, retro, modern, intricate, trendy and environment friendly. Now here is a question for us. What is the suitable describing word to describe the texture of this bag? So the suitable describing word is eco-friendly. Now about describing people. Here are some words to describe the people based on their general appearance: beautiful, pretty, elegant, funny, cute, young, middle-aged, old, handsome, gorgeous, ugly, and attractive. Here are some describing words to describe the personality of the people. Kind, considerate, warm, entertaining, reliable, honest, straightforward, cheerful, optimistic, and positive. Here are some negative describing words to describe the personality of the people. They are self obsessed, humorless, dull, dishonest, unreliable, insincere, moody, grumpy, inconsiderate, and self centered. Now, here is a question. Talk about a person you know describing their appearance, build, and personality. Now, describing events. Here are some list of describing words to describe the event. Ultimate, rare, divine, violent, stellar, common, unusual, historic, major, huge, suspicious, significant, memorable, possible, and disastrous. This is a question for us. Imagine you have been invited by the president of the country to receive an award. How will you describe this event? My answer is euphoric. Also divine. Now here is a question for us. These are all describing words to describe one thing. What would be your answer? Answer is music. Now describing routines. For example, I work as a teacher. I like to teach my children. I train my children. I help my children. Or I look after the small children. Here are some daily routine activities. Get up, have a bath, a quick bath, get dressed, eat breakfast, have a coffee, leave home, go to school, go to work, arrive at school. Get back, get home, watch TV, the news, a movie, surf the net, go online, read a book, a magazine, meet up with my friends, catch up with friends, do the housework, and go to bed. Today's session was ended by model classroom transaction on describing things, people, and objects. If you want to see the webinar link and reading material, please see the description. Thank you for watching me on Madhvi Vlogs is a place for teachers. If you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.